Buying an inexpensive used car has its pitfalls. In general, bargain-priced used vehicles are usually older and have higher mileage. They may have some mechanical problems or sketchy maintenance history. There may even be some rust lurking out of sight. These issues don't bode well for shoppers on a tight budget. In today's video, we're gonna take a look at the 10 coolest cars under $5,000. Before we go on, like this video, smash the subscribe button, and click the notification bell so you don't miss any of our videos. 2009 Ford Taurus. Average price $3,561. The 2008 to 2009 Ford Taurus is mechanically similar to the Mercury Sable we mentioned before, and this solid foundation helps earn the Taurus a spot on this list as well. The big four-door sedan provides airy seating space, a large trunk, and well-cushioned ride quality. Its handling is sure-footed but not particularly exciting, and its V6 engine and 6-speed automatic transmission supply adequate power for scooting the Taurus along. A good crash safety score is icing on the cake. 2011 Mazda II. Average price $4,920. The Mazda II is somewhat of a best-kept secret. This pint-sized hatchback is nimble and fun to drive on winding roads and along tight city streets thanks to its taut suspension, responsive steering, and strong brakes. Its small 4-cylinder engine revs happily and scoots the car around swiftly. When new, a 5-speed manual transmission was standard and a 4-speed automatic was optional. The front seats are comfy and there's decent cargo space for such a small car. The Mazda II also rates well for reliability, though its crash safety ratings and rear seat space are less than stellar. 2009 Hyundai Elantra. Average price $3,423. The 4th generation Hyundai Elantra is another one of those cars that fly under the radar. It isn't especially flashy or fun to drive, but it does a fine job covering the basics. The Elantra's interior is well built and reasonably spacious. The suspension quells the impact from bumps and dips in the road, and the steering feels nicely weighted and responsive. These models have also earned a solid reputation for reliability. When new, Hyundai offered the 2009 Elantra in both sedan and hatchback body styles, with the latter referred to as the Elantra Touring. A 2-liter 4-cylinder engine and 5-speed manual transmission were standard, though a 4-speed automatic was available. 2010 Suzuki SX4. Average price $4,100. The SX4 was offered in sedan and hatchback body styles, and it was one of the few compact cars at the time to offer all-wheel drive, making it a popular choice for those living in snowy climes. The SX4's interior is roomier than you might expect, especially in the hatchback model, and the car feels agile and responsive on the open road. Engine performance is a bit underwhelming though. The SX4 features a 150 horsepower 4-cylinder engine matted to either a 6-speed manual transmission or a continuously variable automatic transmission. 2007 Suzuki Gran Vitara. Average price $2,941. Suzuki called it quits on the US car market in 2012 after years of declining sales, but it left behind some compelling used car bargains. This often overlooked compact SUV has a stout V6 engine, a rugged ladder frame chassis, and a choice of manual or automatic transmissions. Its available 4-wheel drive system enables good off-road ability, and the 5-seat interior, though heavy on the hard plastics, offers respectable seating and cargo space. Ultimately, the Japanese brand didn't sell many Gran Vitaras, at least compared to the contemporary Honda CR-V or Toyota RAV4. Still, you don't often find used models at a significant discount versus these rivals. 2009 Saturn Vue. Average price $4,604. The 2nd generation Saturn Vue was in production from just 2008 to 2009. Even so, these SUVs seem to have withstood the test of time. The Vue rates well for reliability and crash safety, and its airy cabin offers plenty of space for passengers and cargo. It's a comfortable SUV to drive day to day as well, and its engine lineup provides sufficient power. Options include a 4-cylinder with 169 horsepower and a pair of V6s with 222 and 257 horsepower, respectively. 2009 Mercury Sable. Average price $4,363. Some of the best used car bargains are vehicles that are simply overlooked, like the Mercury Sable. This full-size sedan has bland exterior styling and unremarkable handling. which has helped keep prices low. On the plus side, the Sable's cabin and trunk are spacious. It provides comfortable ride quality, it rates highly for crash safety, and it's available with all-wheel drive. The Sable's 3.5-liter V6 is pretty refined and muscular as well, and apart from some preventable water pump issues, it's known to be quite dependable. 2009 Scion XB, average price $4,390. The XB is the reason for the brand's early success. The boxy Scion XB looks simultaneously retro and futuristic. It packs a lot of seating space and cargo room into its compact footprint, and its 2.4-liter engine provides sufficient muscle for everyday driving. A stellar track record of reliability certainly doesn't hurt its appeal either. Scion equipped all 2009 XB models with air conditioning, power windows, keyless entry, cruise control, and a 6-speaker Pioneer sound system. A 5-speed manual transmission was standard and a 4-speed automatic was optional. 2009 Scion TC, average price $4,064. Toyota launched the Scion brand in 2003, intending to attract young, first-time car buyers. The Scion TC arrived shortly after in 2005, and it went on to become the brand's best-selling model. The TC impressed critics with its sporty coupe-like styling, punchy 4-cylinder engine, and composed driving dynamics. It also offered a surprising amount of practicality with ample seating space up front, adequate space in the second row, and a generous amount of cargo room underneath the rear liftgate. Better still, the TC has earned a sterling reputation for reliability, making it a great option for those on a tight budget. 2009 Honda Fit, average price $4,826. The Honda Fit hatchback ticks just about every box on the used car checklist, including a great track record of reliability. It boasts roomy seating space and a large cargo area, and it rates above average for crash safety. The Fit also feels agile and enjoyable to drive, and its 1.5-liter 4-cylinder engine balances spry acceleration with impressive fuel economy. When new, a 5-speed manual transmission was standard and a 5-speed automatic was optional. Honda discontinued the Fit in 2020 due to declining sales, but its long production run ensures the used Fit will be a great pick for years to come.